In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for agency client management so you can organize clients, projects, requests, and communication all in one clean system. If you run a marketing agency, creative studio, web design business, or any client-based service, this setup will help you stay organized, look professional, and scale without chaos. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. Step 1 is setting up your client CRM board. Inside Monday.com, click on Add Board and create a new board called Clients. This will act as your central client database. Now let's add the right columns. First, add a name column for the client or company name. Next, add a status column. You can customize the labels to things like lead, active, on hold, completed, or VIP. After that, add a people column to assign an account manager to each client. Then add an email column and a phone column so all contact information lives in one place. You can also expand this later with contract value, renewal date, or billing cycle if needed. This board becomes your agency's control center for every client relationship. Step 2 is creating a project or deliverables board. Each client will have multiple tasks, campaigns, or ongoing deliverables, so we need a separate board to manage execution. Create a new board and name it something like Client Projects or Deliverables. Add the following columns: task name, which will be the main item column, then a status column to track progress, such as not started, in progress, waiting on client, or done. Add a people column for the assignee, a priority column for urgency levels, and a due date column to keep timelines clear. This board is where your team actually works day to day. Now step 3 is where Monday.com becomes really powerful. We're going to link clients to their projects using connect boards and mirror columns. Go to your projects board and add a connect boards column. When prompted, connect it to your clients board. Now each project can be linked directly to the correct client. After that, add a mirror column. This allows you to pull in information from the clients board. For example, you can mirror the client's status, contract details, billing info, or assigned account manager. This means your team can see important client information without switching boards. Everything stays connected and automatically synced. Step 4 is using forms for client requests. Agencies constantly receive creative requests, website edits, ad copy changes, bug reports, and campaign briefs. Instead of messy emails, let's systematize this. Go to your projects board and add a form view. Customize the fields to match your workflow, such as request type, description, priority, deadline, and file uploads. Turn on required fields so clients can't submit incomplete information. Once your form is ready, share the link with your client. Now, every time they submit a request, it automatically creates a new task in your projects board. No manual entry, no lost emails, and everything stays organized. Finally, step 5 is creating a client portal using a shareable board. For transparency and professionalism, create a separate shareable board for each client. On this board, include deliverables, status updates, timelines, notes, and files. Then invite the client as a guest. This ensures they only see their own board and not your internal data. Clients can check progress anytime without scheduling meetings or sending follow-up emails. This reduces back-and-forth communication and builds trust. And that's it. You now have a complete agency client management system inside Monday.com. A client CRM board to manage relationships, a projects board to execute work, connected data using mirror columns, automated request intake forms, and a professional client portal for transparency. When set up properly, this system saves time, reduces confusion, and makes your agency look incredibly organized. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.